Hi, I'm Sophia. I love all sorts of dressings. Ranch, Greek, Caesar, balsamic vinaigrette, lemon vinaigrette, blue cheese, green goddess, Parmesan peppercorn, and everyone's telling me the miso honey vinaigrette in this new ATK Kids cookbook is great. But every time I mix up a simple dressing at home, it separates into 2 layers before I have a chance to serve it. So, why don't oil and water mix? When you mix oil and water together, they form a mixture called an emulsion. But emulsions don't typically stay combined for very long, unless you add a secret ingredient. Check this out. I have 2 dressings. The first is made with oil and vinegar. The second is made with oil, vinegar, and a bit of mayonnaise. I'm gonna shake these up and let them sit for 45 minutes. Whoa, what a difference! The oil and vinegar separated back into 2 distinct layers, but the mayo mixture stayed pretty much the same. Mayonnaise contains special molecules called emulsifiers that prevent an emulsion from separating right away. So a vinaigrette made with mayo will stay combined for much longer than one made with only oil and vinegar. Why do we care? Because I'm going to make this delicious miso honey vinaigrette, which stays emulsified thanks to a bit of mayo. Then I'll drizzle it over a super green salad. Trust me, it's scientifically delicious. First, I'm going to combine white miso, honey, and our magical ingredient mayo into this jar. Now, I'll add rice vinegar and a bit of salt to the jar and shake it until smooth. Next, we'll add some olive oil and shake the jar again until everything's combined. And then we'll add the rest of the olive oil and shake it up again. Finally, we'll add vegetable oil and shake one more time to combine. Now, let's assemble the salad. In a large bowl, combine mixed baby lettuce, cucumbers, and snow peas with some of our dressing. Then toss the salad to coat it with the dressing, and sprinkle it with toasted sesame seeds, if you'd like. Thanks for watching, and check out atkkids.com for more recipes and experiments. And find the complete cookbook for young scientists wherever you get your books.
Yeah!